Guys, this is Jeff Abante again. Ayun guys, happy Saturday, December 13. May Christmas party po ang Brooks Community, kaya pupunta po tayo. Ma-snow sa labas, oh. Kita nyo ba? Sobrang snow, makapalang snow. Ayan. Sobrang lamig. So, punta po tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano ang mga activities ngayon sa Christmas party ng Brooks Community. So nagpainit lang tayo ng sasakyan. Ayan. So punta na tayo. So kita-kits na tayo doon guys sa Brooks Community sa GBS Center, Cebu. Tayo. Ano? Sobrang snow. Bakal. Lamig. Andada pa more. Ano naman yan? 50-50 na yan. Kayo po talagang ano ah.
Yeah. May ticket ka na?
Wala pa.
Hi! Hi vlog!
Welcome to my...
Ate, welcome!
Marks the end of our term. So, the floor will be open after. But before that, I want to take this opportunity to present all our the nation address. This is the community address. So, for the last 2 years, these are the accomplishments of our association. So, to recap, last January 2023, we have these intern officers who started this association. And in June of 2023, we held that election. But prior to that, there are already lots of events and activities that these officers and this association already have done to the community. So, we started with June 2023. June 2023, we held a motorcade from the old rodeo ground to this very filled house where we also have basketball and volleyball tournament. So we have teams from our youth, from our men, from our women. And that time, it was a one-day tournament and we were able to tap all our talented members in sports. So I hope you remember that day. That was 2 years ago, but seems like long, but anyway, so that was the first one. And then on November 2023, the officers too, we attended the leadership training in Calgary. So that was 2 days. So yung mga officers natin, they were equipped to lead, and that was facilitated by the Alberta Federation of Filipino Officers. So we were equipped on that day. All our trainings were free. And it was well attended by different communities all over Alberta. And then 2023, so then November 2023, that was the 2 days leadership training. And then December, that's when we have our induction. And that induction was actually well attended. And we have all the leaders in Alberta who came and witnessed and even inducted us. So we have the Premier here, we have MP Martin Shields, we have the Mayor, we have even GBS officials who are also here to come and witness our event. And after that, we were applied for some grants. So we received a grant from Alberta Arts, Culture, and Heritage. So that December, that our event was partly paid by the Brooks Arts, Culture, and Heritage. So that was one of the first grants that was awarded to us. Then 2024, these are the events. So we participated in the rodeo parade. That was the first time. We also participated in Canada Day. And we also have the Inter-City Volleyball and Basketball League. So nag-host po tayo ng league for basketball and volleyball, and it was attended by different cities: Edmonton, Calgary, Lethbridge, Medicine Hat, Tabor. They all came here, and that was one of the best, according to them, league that they have attended. So that was one of our accomplishments. And then, September 2024, we also have the showcasing our culture. So we did that at Griffin Park School. It was, we showcased all our talents through dances and song. So lahat po ng mga costumes, kung nakita nyo, we have so much costumes that day, and we have a lot of dances too that we presented. It was all paid for by the government of Alberta. So thank you, government of Alberta. That was all through the efforts of the Brooks Filipino Community Association. And then we have those, after that we have leagues. We know that we have the basketball leagues, and we also have supported that. And then we did our second Brooks Filipino Community Association's Christmas party. That was just last year, and which is also very well attended. And then we have the 2025. So early in 2025, that was May, we had the prayer rally to support our brothers and sisters that were victims of atrocities at, it was an incident that happened in British Columbia. And that was held at the Medium. So that was not very well attended, but that was also facilitated by the Brooks Filipino community. And then, come July, we were again invited for our Canada Day. So we presented, we actually taught people how to dance our Philippine. So that's how visible we are in terms of the city of Brooks. So we were invited in that event, and we taught people how to dance and to also show them our culture. And on September 2025, we were dedicated by the city of Brooks. The city of Brooks. It was the commemorative forest that was dedicated to the Filipino community. And if you notice, at the Lake Stafford Drive, if you go around, there are a bunch of trees there. And that is called Mabuhay Road. And that is, and the city of Brooks dedicated it to us too, being one of the people that contributed, group of communities that have contributed to build Brooks as what it is right now. And lately, so among all those events, among all those activities, maybe the most recent one is just last month in November, we lighted with a countdown our first ever giant Christmas tree. So now that is part of the tourism in Brooks, that if you go around and watch the different Christmas lights all over the Newell and City of Brooks, one of them is the one that we built by the Brooks, but by the Veterans Park. So that is something that we can be proud of, and that is something that I really wanted to thank all the officers of the Brooks Filipino community for dedicating their time. We are not paid, they are not paid, they are all volunteers. They sacrifice their precious times away from their families. Sometimes they have to take day offs from their jobs in order to make our vision as Filipinos possible. So today, as we close our 2-year term, we would like to say thank you so much for giving this opportunity and for entrusting us this association. Mabuhay po tayo.
Hey, please, because we need everything to be official. We need to submit everything in bylaws in the city that this is amended and this has been extended. Our term is extended. Sino na video? Okay, we need to have an official video. And this means that thank you so much for your support. You may now take your seats.
Thank you so much.
This means that the following people are requested to be up on stage and for all of the members of BFCA to know who the officers and who to talk to. Ate Emma, Chris, help me to call, please, the names. Of course, President is already right here. Round of applause to Ms. Aurelio, please. With her leadership, ang dami nating na-achieve. We Filipinos are known not only for the BFCA officers but for all of us. Vice President Mr. Alvin Bunuan. Mr. Rochelle Portes is not here today dahil namatay yung nanay niya, but in spirit.
Feliz Navidad! Ha?
May trabaho? Sabado?
Meron. Diet kami.
May balbalo dyan lang ang trabaho. Tila ang dyan. Kaso natin balbalo lang dito. Ito na lang yung mga natulog alaman. Ano na ito? Meron ko. Baru matawin ko karami dito. Buti rapi. Mga anak ko kasi karni. Mga anak ko sila. Mga nakapalo ko nila ko karami. Marantang. James. Mau mau untuk betul. Halo, betul. Recari ko. Like jojo trabaho. Sakit ang mga mo naman. Dahil nung sa iyo pa nagising ka naman. Susunod lang. Magpusay. Abutan na tayo? Ayaw. Sige, ano pa ito? Sakit na trabaho. Patakati ba kayo ito? Ang kapalagi ang buhay sa kagigigil. Puro bin katal na ang bulat ito. 3 years ako dito pala dyan, doktor. Ang gara 3 months ako dito mga tatanong pa kapangabulan na. Pati pinatak naman pala dito. So, pagkahanga dyan, imo natin na sa isipin tanga dyan. Natin sa sakit na lang.
Nabigyan dia itu juga perlu dia. Kita drama lang nagitin lagi.
Nanti kayo sa awan, ingara ng tao. Ingara ng tao, mapanong pero, makaharin alam naman kayo sa salita, mataktakan 6.
Come over here, you guys. In your choice, to be honored gift card from the Paragas family.
Kami
Tapos din ang Christmas party namin. Ayan. Uwian na guys. Tapos ang Christmas party. So, see you another year, next year.